In today's video, we will learn how to animate 3D text. So let's jump into the Premiere Pro's timeline. Here is the text I have created without 3D animation. Go to Effect panel and search Basic 3D. Drag the effect into the text layer and go to the Effect Control panel. Then decrease the swivel value as per your wish. Then fix the position of the text. If we animate it, turn on the stopwatch icon, both of position and scaled. Then move forward and decrease the opacity value 120%. Then select a vector motion and move it a little. Now if I play the video, you will see the animation has complete. Thanks for watching the video and follow the more tutorials.